It's built for Apple Intelligence, from the inside out. It has our most powerful Pro chip and our most advanced camera system, with an intuitive new camera control, plus thinner borders for our largest ever display. The next generation of iPhone starts now. This is iPhone 16 Pro with Apple Intelligence. A new powerful, private, personal intelligence system deeply integrated into your phone and across your apps to help you get things done effortlessly. You can describe a photo you took years ago, and Apple Intelligence will find it. It'll summarize an email thread to give you the most important information.